Hey, it's Susanna White here with Living by the Magic and the Posit Group in Winter Garden, Florida. I am in Northlake Ovation and I'm doing a special preview video for my clients, and I thought I would share. This is a Douglas floor plan, so this is primarily a ranch home, but it does have the option to add a bonus room and a bedroom upstairs. So we're going to see it without, but I will point out where that can be added in. So we're going to just kind of do a running tour today. This home, I believe, has 3 different elevations you can choose from. They have a nice front porch, different color schemes, obviously has a 2-car garage, but we're going to just walk on in, see what we got. So these have nice tall ceilings. This home's going to have 6-foot doors. But you do have the option in Design Center to make these 8-foot doors, as well as the exterior if you so choose. Right out the gate, right of the entrance in this home, because the garage is on the left side, you have a full bath going right here. And then you've got 2 bedrooms. They're decent size. This builder uses actual doors for their closet, so it's not a full walk-in, but it is a nice big size closet, but it doesn't have the accordion doors, so it gives a little more wall space. This will be a full bath with a linen closet, and this has a shower tub combo. And then we've got another bedroom here, which also same concept, has the closet, decent size as well. Walking on into the living room. So this is a nice big open concept here. This will be technically your dining, and then your living, and then your kitchen, which will have an island. You have your pantry, and then you'll have your fridge, and then your stove, hood, and all the cabinets there. And in this, so there are some structural options. You can do things differently in here. If you want information, hit me up and I can send you their website. You can play around with the different options, but this one, they made this like a little den bonus room area, or I want to say den, because it's not a bedroom, because it doesn't have a door and a closet, but it's nice. It would be great overflow space for a kitchenette and or office, home office. So that's probably what that's going to be, my guess, but you just never know. And this is nice. You've got French doors here. You can ask, if you did an 8-foot, you can do an oversized French door in here. That's really pretty, let in more light. Again, there's a lot of structural options, but in this one in particular too, I will point out that the stairs to the upstairs, so this is your garage entry door, and this is your laundry, and this is your drop zone. So this is your 2-car garage. This one, they added a side door, so that's an option too. But if you get the 2-story model with, like, if you add the bonus room, so this is your main entrance and this is your garage door, the stairs going upstairs are in this area. I don't exactly know where they put them, but it is in this general vicinity. I can drop a floor plan in here that you'll see. We'll be going upstairs to, if you decided to add a bonus room, which would mean a loft and a bedroom. You could do just a loft, you can do a loft and a bathroom, you can do a loft, bathroom, bedroom, it's really up to you. Okay, so here's the main suite. Faces the back of the home. They're getting ready to put another house in over there. So this one has a tub and a shower. This will have a dual vanity. This stuff is optional, so you can figure out how much you do. That's a nice big window for some nice light. You've got your water closet, and then your walk-in closet. So it's decent size, and that's your panel for your like your IT stuff. So decent size walk-in closet. So yeah, this is a little different than their other one-story floor plan. We have that one in another video. That's actually one of the models here. So you can always refer back to that, or if you want to, comment below on the video, I'll be happy to drop that link in here as well. But yeah, so basically the only difference if you add it on structurally here would be you'd have stairs somewhere in this vicinity going upstairs to the second floor, and yeah, add a bunch more living space, because as it is right now, it has 3 bedrooms and a den. You could make it a 4-bedroom house and a den, or I think you can knock that out and put an extended patio like you can on the plant. Don't quote me on that, but I do believe that's a structural option on this home too. So anyway, this is the Douglas 2 floor plan. Again, there are some structural things you can do differently in this home, which is really great that this builder allows you to do that. And yeah, so check it out, see what you think, and let me know. If you want any more information, please let me know.